Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js video cropper and trimmer kind of video editor directly in browser using React.js. So we are running this application localhost as you can see. So this is the full directory structure of the project. Each and every component is coded entirely from scratch in TypeScript. So everything is customizable. If you need the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. And if I show you the package.json file, we are using the latest version of React here, 18 here. We are also using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. And let me show you the demo of the application first of all. So once you start the application, it's really easy. You can select a video file, and as soon as you select the video file, all the processing will directly happen directly in the browser. So no backend is there, no server side code is there. So it's a single page application. So you can play the video. So the video will play right here. You will see the all the relevant information will show of the video in a video player, the size, the duration, everything. And now in the right hand side corner of the screen, you have the control for using your mouse. You can select the portion of the video, whatever portion that you want to crop. And after you crop it from here, you can select what part of the video you want to trim using the slider. So it really becomes really easy for you to trim out the specific portion of the video and also crop it as well. So using your mouse, so just select the portion that you want to crop. After that, click this button, and as soon as you click the button, the you can click the export button. So click the export button, and now the processing will start here. Using progress bar, you will see the progress. You can select the format here, MP4, GIF, everything. So you will see the progress bar will show right here. So once it reaches 100%, the video will automatically download, and this is a fully fledged. So it's entirely made inside FFmpeg WebAssembly library. If you're interested in purchasing it, the link is given, and you can easily run it and deploy the application. I'm running it on localhost as you can see, npm run dev. So it started this at localhost 3000. You can easily build out the application, and now you can see export is completed, and you can play the output file here inside your video player. So the video, you can see the video is successfully cropped and also trimmed. So it takes just a matter of seconds. You don't need any extra software. You can directly execute everything in the browser. So as I told you, we are using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library, which is an open source package for processing media files directly in browser using FFmpeg. So we are using this WebAssembly library directly in React.js to build out this complete video cropper. You can even preview the crop as well by clicking this button. So the final result will look something like this. So I showed you. You can even export this to a GIF file as well. Simply select and then select the quality, GIF setting, FPS, everything is customizable. You can even add more features on top of the application. Once you purchase the source code, you will get entirely everything. Each and every source code is customizable, and you can just see here. So once you crop, you can even add, let's suppose I want to do another cropping here of this portion. We also have ready-made cropping 4 by 3, 9 by 16. This is a free crop here, and from here you can select the duration here and click add to. So now this is a newly created crop here. You can preview the section here. You'll see it will look something like this. And you click the export button, and again the processing will start, and also the progress bar will also show. And after that, the video will automatically gets downloaded. So, so the thing is, it's really fast as well, and it directly executes all the processing directly happens in the browser. It's a single page application, FFmpeg WebAssembly library. We are using the latest version of React, and if you still face any problem, I will definitely help you in running on deploying the application. If you face any issues, you can contact me. And we are also using Tailwind CSS for the interface. We are using Vite as the development engine, and all the files are coded in TypeScript. Each and every section, this is the editor, export, layout, the video player, user interface, the upload section. So you can just see here, I coded this project from scratch. So you can see these are the util files. So it's a ready-made project here. You'll see now again it's downloaded. You can see that. So the video is cropped, and once you want to re-upload option is also there to again start a new video. So here you can select any video. You can do this unlimited number of time. So I coded this using FFmpeg library. Using your mouse, it's just select the portion of the video that you want to crop and trim. Using these sliders, now you can trim out the specific portion. And from here you can select the quality, and this time you can export this to GIF file as well. From here you can change the quality, everything you can control, the FPS. So from here you can also preview the section as well. So you can see, just click export. So it's really easy for you. You can purchase a domain name and easily deploy this video cropper and trimmer editor. So the user will also see a progress bar. So it will exactly tell how much time is remaining. So it's a good user interface specifically for the user to use the application. And no backend is involved. So it's entirely running at a single page application. So it's easy for you to deploy this. So you can actually, you can see the link is given. You can directly purchase it. I've shown you the complete demo. So you can see you will get this notification export completed, and then you can output download the output file. So the videos you can see successfully exported, and it's successfully cropped and trimmed. So this is an all-in-one full stack React.js video cropper application. You can easily deploy this. We are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. If you're interested, the link is given in the description.